AsInt has added a programmatic and repeatable way to help users determine how many and where to assign corrosion monitoring locations, or CMLs. To show this functionality, we're going to log into our SAP system. Navigate to Asset Intelligence and select the CML distribution tile. We're going to use this 6-inch piping circuit as our example today, which has had the baseline CML allocation performed on it. We see that given the parameters entered, this piping circuit has been assigned 134 CMLs, 32 to be located on the fittings and 102 on the pipe itself. So now let's go back into the list view and create a new assessment and name it Updated CML Allocation. Assign it our piping circuit. Now that we have been managing this asset for a period of time, we have more and presumably better data. So, let's review the questions that may have changed over time. First, we can indicate that we are now using actual readings as nominal, rather than relying on the furnished thickness. Now that we've performed a couple of the external inspections, we can indicate that the insulation is in average condition, with no major damage noted. With isometric drawings available with clearly defined inspections, we now know that the circuit complexity is also about average. Again, having been through a couple inspection cycles, we have reduced the uncertainty of our defined corrosion rates. We can now say corrosion is no worse than we expected, and we have medium confidence in the corrosion rates. Once we hit the Calculate button, now to determine the impact of these changes, we get this recommendation that provides guidance to the inspector on how to proceed in the field. We see that given our reduction in uncertainty and the new parameters entered, this piping circuit has now been assigned 94 CMLs. Just another example of how AsInt is working in SAP to provide value, adding functionality to support your mechanical integrity program.